welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this Pal Fur Pet Grooming Kit. It's a great kit to have at home if you have pets, dogs or cats. You can use it as a cutter or a vacuum. It works amazing. Super easy, you just plug it in, turn it on, and it starts working. It's got 3 different suctions, which I'll show you later, but it works amazing. Everything collects in here. You can easily take this off and dump it in the garbage. It has lots of different attachments. It has the clippers for you to cut your hair, a dog's hair or cat, and 4 different size clippers to attach onto it. Then it has the combing brush, so you can use that to brush their hair and get it out easily. This one is a de-shedder, so that helps to de-shed your dog or cat's hair. Then you have another rolling comb. This removes any loose hairs that are on there. But as it's also removing all of these tools, it's also suctioning all the hairs inside. So as you're cutting, it doesn't cut like normal clippers. It just cuts all over the floor. This one actually, as you're cutting, it sucks into the container, so less mess. That's what I love about this. So all the tools, it comes with a bag to put in. They easily all clip on just like that. You just attach them and you can easily remove them and attach any other to the comb. So really great. I highly recommend it. Like I said, it works amazing and less mess. You can put this away easily, so highly recommend this product. Hope you enjoy. Bye.